What's up, Blind Family? Don't forget to like and subscribe. So, on this video, I'm telling you why did I create a YouTube channel at the first place. Okay, let me tell you how. When I was 6 or 7 years old, uh, I was planning to make a YouTube channel in that age. I think it's 6 years old. Yeah, 6 years old. I was trying to make a YouTube channel in the but I'm in that age. But I made a YouTube channel in I'm 8 years old and had actually did it just for one video. But I don't know if I'm right because if you don't need a YouTube channel, you just click on the plus button and just get videos. You don't need a hard work. I don't know why did I not think on that. But if why back to the video. This is how why and how I got a YouTube channel and want a YouTube channel. I always watch Politin, Ben Azelard, and who's that? That's three of my YouTube channels. There's one more and only one more. Who's that? And what's his name? Oh yes, Cash. If you don't know those YouTubers, but you know one of them, that's okay. And this is I was so confident that I have a YouTube channel in um age of 6 years old. Age. And I was wrong. But now I do have a YouTube channel, but I thought it's easy to make a video and before this day happened, when I was trying to make a video with my app so I can vlog and play Roblox. But when I press start and I left the app and it's supposed to be still vlogging, but in 3 seconds it just paused without me pausing it. I that happened to me. Oh, yan. Mm, that happened to me 3 times. And which am I right? And I please just subscribe. Subs- Subscribe for now. Just just hit 200k subscribers. I want the first play button, please. Is this possible? Let's see. So that's all for today's guys. Wait, we're not done. And I in this age 8 years old, I finally got a YouTube channel. For all those years, I did not watch that video, so I can make a YouTube channel. I did not watch the video, but now I don't need to worry about it. I do have a YouTube channel now. Before I post this video, peace. See you in the next video, guys.